Everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Happily Exhausted Mama. I am Shayoni, a first-time mom to a 9-month-old baby boy. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you can hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. Please also find me on Instagram. I'm there as The Happily Exhausted Mama. So with that introduction out of the way, let us start with the first video in a two-part video series. So this video is going to deal with what are the reasons why your newborn does not sleep at night. As a mother who struggled with her newborn not sleeping for the first 3 months of his life, I really wanted to find out the reasons why babies do that. Like, why is it so common for mothers to complain when baby does not sleep at night? I wanted to find that out, and here I've compiled a few of the most common reasons why babies do not sleep at night. The second part of the video is going to deal with some tips that I picked up, like things that helped me help my baby sleep at night. So make sure you watch that video as well. Now, coming to the reasons why babies don't sleep at night, the first and the foremost reason is that the baby's body clock is not tuned to the world. So the baby does not know when it is day, when it is night, like us adults. So when they first come out after 9 months of darkness in the womb, they take some time to adjust and figure out, okay, this is the time when I'm supposed to stay awake and this is the time I'm supposed to fall asleep. Now this rhythm is called the circadian rhythm. This is basically your alarm clock, the body clock, which sort of determines when a person is going to fall asleep, when a person is going to stay awake, and that is going to take some time for babies to develop. So that is the first and foremost reason. The second reason why babies are staying awake at night is because of hunger. Now when a newborn is just born, the stomach is really tiny, like maybe this small. Therefore it takes very little milk inside and it gets hungry very often. This is when they grow their maximum, right? So they need a lot of nutrition, a lot of milk, and they get hungry very often. Every time they pee, the milk is just going out of their body because milk is anyway 60 to 70% water. Therefore they are losing whatever is there in their stomach really fast, and therefore they need to refill. So they get hungry, they get thirsty. So this is the second reason why your baby is not sleeping well at night. The third reason why your baby is not sleeping well at night is because maybe your baby is overstimulated or overtired. What is happening is, maybe you have had guests at home. Maybe you've tried a new activity with your baby has met someone for the first time, your baby has gone out of the house for the first time. Something new has happened in the baby's life which has made the baby so excited that your baby now has a lot of stimulation in their brain. They are excited and their brain just needs a lot more time to shut down. If you think about it, this happens to us adults as well, right? When we have had a very tiring day, we often say, oh, I cannot go to sleep because I'm so tired. And that is what is happening with your baby as well. Your baby is just overtired. The fourth reason why your baby is not sleeping is maybe your baby is uncomfortable. Your baby can be too cold, can be too hot. Your baby might have a wet diaper which you're not understanding. Maybe he has pooped and you've not cleaned him or her up. Therefore, your baby is just generally uncomfortable. Maybe the bed or the cot where the baby is sleeping is not as comfortable as you think it is. Therefore, try to figure that out. Change the baby's position, change the bedding, try and figure out, is there something about the way or the place where the baby is sleeping, or maybe the clothes the baby is wearing. As mothers, we try to put as many clothes as possible on the baby, thinking the baby is freezing, but in reality, you have to always check if the baby is too warm or too cold and give the baby the right number of clothes. Therefore, figure out if your baby is uncomfortable. The fifth reason, and the reason which we all really don't want to happen, is the baby is unwell, and it could be because of a variety of reasons. Could be because you have eaten something, you're breastfeeding and you've had a lot of chocolate, or you've had a lot of coffee, which is also stimulating the baby's brain. It could be something spicy that you've eaten which is affecting the baby's digestion. So therefore the baby can just have colic pains, the baby can have a pain somewhere, maybe it has hurt itself and you do not know about it. So therefore your baby might just generally be unwell, and that is why your baby is not sleeping at night. Now this applies to babies who generally sleep at night and you have 1 or 2 days when you're seeing that the baby is not falling asleep. So first figure out what type of a sleeper your baby is. See if the baby never sleeps at night or sometimes sleeps at night, sometimes it does not. Go back, rewind and think what has happened to the baby on that particular day. If you are breastfeeding, think about what you have eaten which might also affect the baby. So I hope these reasons were very helpful to you. These are very simple things that you can observe and you can figure out, and hopefully that is going to help you help your baby better. With that short video, I will see you again soon when I'm going to share my tips of how to make your baby sleep better.